Hello my dear friends, so we continue learning Russian language, and today will be very important and useful video and lesson for you about very common and at the same time typical and simple Russian verb, but very important for your Russian speech. We will talking about Russian verb видеть, видеть, yes? You know that in English language we have these three English verbs like see, look at, and watch. Yes, but how we use all these English verbs, I mean in Russian language, and how native Russian speakers say it, how native Russian speakers pronounce it and use it in different tenses. Of course, it depends on the pronouns я, ты, он, она, они, вы, and so on. And in this video, I'll explain to you everything about it. That's why please watch this video till the end. It's very important for your education if you want to improve your skills in Russian. So let's get started. So we know that we have this kind of English verb see, and we translate in Russian like видеть, видеть, yes? But at the same time, we have these two English verbs like look at and watch. And all these two English verbs we translate only one Russian verb смотреть, смотреть. For example, this English verb see. This kind of example like I see you, we will translate it like я вижу тебя. I see you, я вижу тебя. But when we take this example like I look at you, we will translate it like я смотрю на тебя. I look at you, я смотрю на тебя. Or, for example, I watch this video. Я смотрю это видео. As you see, for these two verbs, look at and watch, we use only one Russian verb смотреть. But today I will explain to you everything about this verb видеть. In the next my video I'll explain to you about these two verbs, okay? But today everything about видеть. How we can change this verb, of course, as always, it depends on the pronouns, tenses, future, past, present, and so on. And we will start from present tense, how we use it in the present tense. For example, I see, я вижу, you see, ты видишь, he sees, он видит, she sees, она видит, they see, они видят, and you see, вы видите, and different examples. For example, I see you very well. Я вижу тебя очень хорошо. For example, like a question. Do you see me? Ты видишь меня? Also like a question. Like a question, like affirmative sentence. He sees her for the first time. Он видит ее в первый раз. Also very useful English phrase like for the first time we translate in Russian like в первый раз. Он видит ее в первый раз. She sees her car. Она видит свою машину. Or they see their mistakes. Они видят эти ошибки. They see these mistakes. Они видят эти ошибки. Like a question. Do you see it? Вы видите это? So I hope it's easy for you, because in present tense we can say only one way, only like this. Please remember it and write behind me in your workbook, it's very important. So we go next, how we use it in the future tense. For example, I will see, я увижу, я увижу. You will see, ты увидишь, ты увидишь. He will see, он увидит, он увидит. She will see, она увидит, она увидит. They will see, они увидят, они увидят. And you will see, вы увидите, вы увидите. And different examples. I will see you on this meeting. I will see you on this meeting. Я увижу тебя на этой встрече. Я увижу тебя на этой встрече. English word meeting, the meeting, we translate in Russian like встреча, встреча. But of course, in this situation, we should say встрече. I will see you on this meeting. Я увижу тебя на этой встрече. Or like a question. Will you see her tomorrow? Ты увидишь ее завтра? Ты увидишь ее завтра? Will you see her tomorrow? Ты увидишь ее завтра? He will see you at school. Он увидит тебя в школе. Он увидит тебя в школе. She will see you later. Она увидит тебя позже. Она увидит тебя позже. They will see their mistakes. Они увидят свои ошибки. Они увидят свои ошибки. You will see me in 2 days. Вы увидите меня через 2 дня. Вы увидите меня через 2 дня. Also, by the way, very important construction, like for example, you will see it in 1 day, in 15 minutes, in 1 hour, in 2 years, and so on. In Russian language, it looks like через, one more time, in, for example, 2 years. 2 years, for example, and any example in 15 minutes, in, for example, 3 days. All this example in Russian language looks like this. Через 2 года, через 15 минут, через 3 дня. Also remember all these constructions, it's very important for you. Yes, it's very easy, just take this word через, and add your time, like 2 years, 2 года, 15 minutes, 15 минут, 3 days, 3 дня. Okay, very important, very useful for your speech, for your education. So we go next about past tense. My dear friends, in the past tense we can use this Russian verb видеть for 2 ways. Way number 1, увидел, увидел. Way number 2, видели, видели. What the difference? The difference is when we use this way, like this version, like увидел, it's like a short action in the past tense. Short action, exactly, short. Видели, it's like a process in the past tense, like a long action, long action. Or for example, if we would compare English and Russian language for this verb, we, for example, should say that in English language, in the past tense, we should say like saw, I saw, you saw. In the past, it's like this construction, like I saw, you saw, he saw, they saw, and so on. When we're talking about this verb, when we're talking about the process or a long time in the past, it's like this construction, like I've seen, you've seen, he has seen, and so on. I hope if you native English speaker, you understand me very well about this example. So of course I will explain to you everything with my Russian example. One more time. For the first time, увидел. One more time. It's like a short action. I saw. Я увидел. Я увидел. You saw. Ты увидел. Ты увидел. He saw. Он увидел. Он увидел. She saw. Она увидела. Она увидела. They saw. Они увидели. Они увидели. And you saw. Вы увидели. Вы увидели. One more time. Увидел. It's very short action. Suddenly I saw you. Suddenly it's like very short. Suddenly I saw it and blah 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 and so on. Yes. For example, I saw you and surprised. I saw you and surprised. Я увидел тебя и удивился. Я увидел тебя и удивился. Surprise we translate in Russian like удивиться, удивиться. Of course, in the future I will record video about this verb. Я увидел тебя и удивился. I hope you agree with me that this situation like suddenly I saw you and surprised, yes? That's why we should say увидел, because this is the short action. I see you and surprised. Я увидел тебя и удивился. Like a question. Did you see it on TV? Did you see it on TV? Ты увидел это по телевизору? Ты увидел это по телевизору? For example, you saw it on TV, any very interesting news, for example, yes? And we can say it like we decided to describe this situation like very suddenly happened. I see it on TV. I saw it on TV. Я увидел это по телевизору. Я увидел это по телевизору. He saw his mistake. Он увидел свою ошибку. Он увидел свою ошибку. She saw me on the street. Она увидела меня на улице. Она увидела меня на улице. Suddenly they saw me. Suddenly they saw me. Вдруг они увидели меня. Вдруг они увидели меня. Suddenly we translate in Russian like вдруг. Вдруг. Also very useful word for you. Вдруг они увидели меня. I hope you agree with me that this is the short action. Suddenly they saw me. Вдруг они увидели меня. You saw him in this window. Вы увидели его в этом окне. Вы увидели его в этом окне. So go next. I hope you understood it very well about this version. Увидел. One more time. It's a short action like saw in English. And next we will talking about видели. One more time. It's a process. It's a long action. It's like if compare with English, it's like have seen in the past tense. One more time. Я видел. Я видел. Ты видел. Ты видел. Он видел. Он видел. Она видела. Она видела. Они видели. Они видели. And вы видели. Вы видели. And examples. For example, I've seen it many times. Я видел это много раз. Я видел это много раз. Many times. Много раз. I hope you agree with me that in this situation we are talking about the process because I've seen it many times. Many times it's like a process. That's why I said я видел. Я видел это много раз. Or like a question. Did you see it? Did you see it? Very common English question and in Russian language. Did you see it? Ты видел это? Ты видел это? Ты видел это? Or he saw it very well. Or he has seen it very well. Он видел это очень хорошо. Он видел это очень хорошо. If you're talking about the process, long action in the past tense. Он видел это очень хорошо. Or yesterday she saw her friends. Yesterday she saw her friends. Вчера она видела своих друзей. Вчера она видела своих друзей. We're talking about the process in yesterday. Yesterday she saw her friends. Вчера она видела своих друзей. It was like a long process, a long action. They saw me 1 year ago. Они видели меня 1 год назад. Они видели меня 1 год назад. Or like a question. Have you seen my parents? Have you seen my parents? Вы видели моих родителей? Вы видели моих родителей? So, my dear friends, I explained to you everything about this verb. It's very important, useful, and helpful verb for you for your Russian speech. If you didn't understand something, please rewatch this video one more time, because I hope you agree with me that we very often use it in our Russian speech and English speech and so on. That's why please rewatch this video one more time if you didn't understand something. I hope that I helped you to improve your skills in Russian step by step. Thank you very much one more time. Have a good day and bye-bye.